All right. So, as you know, we've been doing the 25 pip challenge. So, I want to give you guys an update about what's going on, right? I also want to tell you about my new MACD indicator for the cheat code. So, let's get into it. So, let's take a look at the Telegram group. Here on August 2nd, I put a trade in for GBPJPY. And man, GJ has really been doing its thing. So put a trade in, hit TP1, hit TP2. Here are the entries that I took. And so we won that trade. Here's some examples of other members who won that GJ trade also. Okay. So this is what's possible with the 25 pip challenge, guys. I'll put high probability trades inside the group so we can slowly grow our account, right? A lot of success, a lot of people making money with the system with the 25 pip challenge. Okay, but I want to show you someone who turned $200 into $10,000 this week trading GJ, and I'm going to show you why I put this trade inside of the Telegram group. So so he put $200 in the account and he withdrew $300 and ran the account up to $1,000, right? Thanks, Vinny, for your analysis. Weekend came and I put a trade inside the group for AUD NZD. Beginning of the week, we had news come out on Tuesday. I actually missed this trade because I was out of town, but we had some members still trading GJ. Okay, so you can see that he actually posted inside the group how he turned $200 into $10,000 trading GJ, guys. So let me get down to that post so you guys can see it. Before that, news came out. We did miss our entry here on AUD NZD. Again, news went in our favor. Okay, thanks to the cheat code. Let me show you the post here. Here it is, guys. 10K in a week using Vinny's trading cheat code. Here it is right here, trading GJ. All right. So let me tell you why I decided to put this trade in the group. And I actually got this trade not only doing my analysis, but I wanted to put the new MACD indicator to the test. This is called the cheat code MACD. It's an enhanced version of the traditional MACD indicator, and it's designed to provide clear buy and sell signals like all the tools that I create, right? This tool is ideal for traders looking for straightforward entry and exit points, minimizing the guesswork and maximizing profitability. Okay, this is going to give you precise signals. Now, one thing you have to remember about the MACD indicators, the MACD indicator is not going to give you sniper entries. That's not what it's for. Okay, how I use the MACD indicator is to let me know the trend. This is a beautiful trend trading tool. I don't think you guys understand the power of the MACD when it comes to trend trading, but I'm going to show you here in this example. It gives you clear buy and sell signals. Okay, so how I use the MACD is very, very simple. When these moving averages are below the zero line, so you have the zero line here and this dotted line here, all right? When moving averages are below the zero line, that means price is bearish. Price is moving in a downtrend. Okay. Whenever it crosses the zero line, that means price is becoming bullish. Okay, and we have changed direction. Okay, so here is the trade that I took for GJ that I put inside of the group. Okay, we had a buy signal here on the MACD on the 4-hour time frame, and guys, it's still always this is never going to change with the strategy. Okay, the MACD is just an added tool for confirmation, and it's always going to be 4-hour signal, 1-hour break and retest. That's the strategy, GSA strategy. No matter if I do a top down analysis from the daily on down, it's always going to be 4-hour signal, 1 hour break and retest when I'm swing trading. Okay. So reason why I took this trade is because on the higher time frame, we are at a demand area. If I turn on the cheat code, you guys are going to see a cheat code sell signal right here. So let me go ahead and do that so you guys can see. We have a cheat code. Cheat code buy signal. Price broke the HMA. Okay, came back down to retest. Had a confirmation buy here, and you could have took that trade just off of the cheat code indicator. But I wanted to get a entry off of the MACD indicator. So the entry that it provided me was this candle, blue candle here. So that's where we entered the market at, that you see that I showed you earlier on GJ. And so all you have to do once you enter your position, all you do is have to hold your trade until MACD crosses over. Okay, or you can wait till price gets to an area where there's like this area here. This was previous resistance. Okay, so I'm looking for price to get back up to this area here. Okay, once price gets back up to this area, then I may be looking for a sell opportunity, because again, we are bearish on the higher time frame. Okay, so again, you can wait for the MACD to cross over and get a sell signal to exit the position, which might be kind of late, but or you can look for an area of interest where price might make it up to. All right, so that's how we use the MACD indicator, guys. It worked out beautifully, as you can see with this GJ trade, and GJ is still going up. Okay, GJ is still going up, guys. Let's take a look at another example. Let's go to gold on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on gold, we had a cheat code sell signal up here. Okay, I can show you that real quick. Okay, price was outside the band, cheat code sell signal, right? 4-hour signal, 1 hour break and retest. Price broke, we got our confirmation sale, and then today price pulled back for a retest, and the 4-hour told me to sell gold. So that's exactly what we did today. Okay, we sold gold. So what you can do, I had posted the video inside of our Telegram group. Telegram group link is below this video inside of the description. Go ahead, join free, and you can actually see the trade that I took here on gold on my futures account. Okay, so gold will continue down from here. I will be holding this gold trade, and we're looking for gold to target these lows down here. So once that happens, then we may be looking for another buy opportunity here on gold. But I just wanted to show you guys the power of the MACD indicator. We can see here in this example, price, it doesn't get you in early, but it pretty much guarantees that, I'm not going to say guarantee because nothing's guaranteed when it comes to trading, but it shows you what the market wants to do. So if the market wants to buy, then here's where you would have entered into the market at. Okay, so again, it doesn't get you in with an early entry. You would have to go down to a lower time frame to get an early entry, but you can still get in and make some money using the MACD indicator. Okay, and if you wanted to just follow the MACD indicator, get in and get out, you would get out at this candle here on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, which is not bad. I mean, that's not bad, but again, this is just a way to confirm that price is either buying or selling, so you can still make money. Okay, so let's see how many pips that was from this area here we entered to here. It's 245 pips. Still not a bad trade. Still not a bad trade. Okay, cheat code is going to help you get a little earlier entry. All right, especially with the cheat code confirm buys. But still, all in all, the MACD is just going to confirm that price is actually going in that direction. All right, so you can be a little more confident holding your trade in the long term because you know where price is going. Okay, So that's why I chose to add the MACD to my arsenal. I'm a swing trader at heart, but I will be coming out with examples of how to use the MACD on a lower time frame. Okay, we'll be showing you guys who are scalpers how to use the MACD on a lower time frame to actually confirm the trend on a lower time frame. So just wanted to give you guys a quick scenario. This MACD will be available shortly, guys. I'm going to release it this week. Okay. I haven't decided if I'm going to charge for it or not, or add it to the cheat code family. But I will update you guys and let you know. But I just wanted to whet your appetite and show you what is possible using Vinny's trading cheat code. So if you don't have the system, guys, make sure you go grab the system. Go to 25pipchallenge.com. That's 25pipchallenge.com. Make sure you join the challenge, guys. All right. And I'll see you inside the group. Let me introduce you guys to my number one trusted broker. They were acquired by, they acquired LQDFX a couple months ago. And this broker is called PlexiTrade. Okay. They make trading very, very easy as far as trading MT4 and MT5. So if you want to trade with MT4 and MT5, definitely get with PlexiTrade. Zero commission. The customer service is excellent. They always respond within a reasonable amount of time. You can reach them 24 hours of the day, 5 days a week. They offer 1 to 2,000 in leverage, and they have different trading accounts. Okay, very, very easy to register. With a micro account, your minimum deposit is $50. The silver is $300. Gold is $300, and the platinum VIP is $10,000. Just wanted to show you guys real quick with the withdrawal process. Here's a withdrawal that I did on May 31st. Here is another that I did here just recently on June 11th, and I do post these inside of my free Telegram group so you guys can see. Where is it at? Let's see here. I think I passed it up. But just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, here it is. Just wanted to show you guys June 11th was the last withdrawal I did with PlexiTrade. Fast withdrawals, guys. No issues with them. So if you guys are looking for a trusted broker, please get with PlexiTrade. Thank you.